Today I'm riding a route from the book Great British Bike Rides. This one is Cheshire Highlights. I'm on my way up to the Lake District for the Cumbrian Cracker event at the weekend with my pal Mick, who's come down from Bamber Bridge near Preston to join me for the warm-up. I gave myself some flexibility by staying at this campsite for 2 days, which is a great move, because there's no way I was doing this yesterday. Torrential rain and strong winds most of the day. It's a lot clearer and calmer today. I guess we'll be seeing some flooded lanes at some stage, but apart from that, we could get lucky. The route may be called Cheshire Highlights, but the jewel in its crown will probably be a lowlight for me as we tackle the strangely named Mow Cop climb up to Mow Cop Castle. We went up to the castle in April on Tour de Zoe's, and most of us, including me, went up the easier of the two climbs. But not today. The words of the book's author, Dave Barter, probably explain why I'll be pushing my bike up some of it. The climb is not a horror story for the gravity dodgers amongst us. It starts steep and gets steadily worse, with the fiercest gradient encountered as you gurn past the Mow Cop Inn. For the record, that stretches 25%, and I can't cycle up 25%. If the Mow Cop Inn's open, I just may take a little detour. This is not a bad one to do actually though in the winter, out of all the ones in the book, because it's 55 miles and one of the shorter. Because I toyed with the idea of doing the one in the Cotswolds the other week. After the clocks had changed, I suddenly thought, I'm in danger of like finish it in the dark, I don't fancy that. Oh, going right here, yeah. Built in 1841, this viaduct carries West Coast mainline trains on its 23 18-metre wide arches. We're joined by Roy, local guy, who's just told us we must be effing mad to go up Mow Cop. I'm taking it slow around these corners today. Well, after yesterday's deluge, I expected it to be dry, but I didn't expect gorgeous sunshine. A lot of floods. Yeah. I appreciate being on your bike on all the little lanes when you come across this and it's like the M6. It does mention this in the book that although there's a gate, you are allowed past it. And back away from the madness of traffic. We're in for a bit of a shock soon. There's over 4,000 feet of climbing on this route. We've done 16 miles and we've only done 400. We're being broken in very gently.
Warm-up.
Oh yeah, you need a warm-up. It still won't get me up it. Defeatist talk, I know, but hey. Mow Cop and its castle on our left is our next destination. Up there. So we're just approaching the bottom of Mow Cop climb. Back in April, the two strong boys turned left where I'm going now, and the rest of us went up there for the easier but not easy climb. Oh, might we have to go back and go up the easy way instead? I was hoping it'd be bad enough to make us have to turn around. Should be okay from here. So that's Mow Cop Castle up there. A right-hand turn here now, which I imagine is the start of the hideous ascent. Here we go. I don't know why I'm doing this. I will be walking at some stage. Yeah. I tell you what, mate, we'll take up with that one. That chap just say come in here for a cup of tea on the way back. Fortunately, we won't be going back that way. So, just looked at the diagram on the Garmin of the climb and it looks horrendous. Just need to be taking it easy on these lower slopes. Oh God. Oh Jesus. That bit hit 18. Oh God. No way I'll get to the top. No way. I'm cycling up that. You barely manage this. Nearly sick. Has Mick gone up? Or was he in the pub? Beating me. Madness. It looks like it's only 25 for a short burst, but God, with your heart already bursting out your chest, it's just impossible for the likes of me, that. Don't shame me walking up it. The problem with pushing your bike up inclines like this is it's also bloody difficult. Just looking at the incline now from the side, it's insane. Why anybody would wish to cycle up this. Wow, madness. So this is the end of the climb. No sign of Michael. Was he in the pub after all?
In 1754, one Randall Wilbraham built this as an elaborate summer house, so it's not actually a castle. Mick overshot the castle and I found him waiting further up the hill.
That was hard. And then, like I say, as soon as I saw 25% and I was struggling to turn, I was nearly feeling sick. I thought, it's now downhill all the way, and just as it starts flattening out, there's a pub on the left. You fancy a stop, don't you? I think we deserve one after that. This won't be a fast descent with the gravelly, greasy roads, too dangerous. Oh, like a ridge with a sprawling countryside to the right and to the left. I want to be going fast through this. The problem with cycling on these steep hills, the bottom of them can become a bit of a river where neoprene overshoes come in handy. Here we go, Sanctuary. Oh, the horseshoe, yeah, that's it. Well, that's us refreshed. Some nice hot soup and coffee. And this time of year, the worst part of that is starting back again. You're always feeling a bit cold. So hopefully it won't take too long to warm up. So although we've got the beast of Mow Cop out of the way, there's actually more climbing to be done than that. So but nothing at 25%, hopefully. And there it is. See at the top. Goes on for 1.5 miles as well, so a bit of a plateau halfway up. Well, I mentioned earlier about it being cold when you restart. Well, this is the ideal remedy. My God. Oh, and here we go again. Steep, steep, steep. As ever, click the button to see if you've got an easier gear, knowing that you haven't got any more left. I wish I was doing that rather than this.
Keep going.
Mountain One 2 in a year's time, apparently. Well, not apparently, definitely. And I'm not ready for that at all. It's going to be a long year. Looks like it flattens out a bit here, thank God. Interesting couple coming up. Mr. and Mrs. Haybale. Beautiful colours, isn't there?
Sorry?
The colours are fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh well, all very nice, but now for a great big hill again. Here we go. Oh, hey. Done got on the inside there. Jesus. Two miles of this. 2 miles, according to mine. Oh. Oh God. That top came every time. A brewery, the Winkle Brewery, I love it, and we're going past.
One of their ales is called Wibbly Wallaby, which almost describes my cycling style today.
A bit of a ramp coming up. Oh, that almost beat me. There's a section there that was holding 16% for way longer than I was comfortable with. But wow, good views when you get here. Oh, what a lovely sight, that church with all the poppies in their garden. It's actually a school. It's lovely. But not taking any photographs then, it looks a bit dodgy. Wonder what the little pointy hill is there. Oh. See, I've got no hills around where I am that hit 16% and stay on it for quite a while. That's the thing for me, is holding a hill of that steepness for that long. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Car back. It doesn't need a lot of room, it's a big white van, and we're mere human beings on the bike. Here we go again, climbing up steep hills. Feel like the sheep are judging me. What's that nutter doing? Coming up here on a bike. We're on a flattish bit halfway up this climb before we get to the horrible bit. It's absolutely beautiful up here. Problem is, I can't see it all properly because I'm steaming up. I am absolutely boiling. So I think this is the last big effort of the day. Oh God. Oh God. Oh bloody hell. Oh. Come on. Oh, that time there's a car coming. Oh dear. Oh, no. I'm off. Oh dear. No good. Oh no. Got nothing left in the tank. And the thought of a car coming up behind. Oh God. That was 18%. It was just stayed on that for too long, considering everything else I've got on my legs from today. Oh dear. Could be a mistake walking, but hey, love cycling, me, love it. Apologies for keeping you waiting, dear boy. Oh, hated it. I got off when that car came past. Because I was too like zigzaggy, and I had to walk for a little bit because it was too steep to get going again. Right then, it's in my review. Where's Jodrell Bank? Can we see it? Oh yeah, Jodrell Bank, yeah. Over there, yeah. Right then, downhill all the way, is it? Nice downhill in the sunshine. Deserve it after that hell. Ease on the brakes. Bit greasy and gravelly. Oh my God. That was awful. That bit of road surface there was. Yeah, we're going right here, mate. Jesus. Greasy, greasy, greasy. Oh, got smacked in the head by a branch. Spectacular. Yeah, it is beautiful. It's interesting, you know, it'd be a lovely ride to do in warmer weather. Yeah. But this time of the year, you're getting something different. Yeah. It's beautiful. I was getting fed up without any hills. It's about time we had another. Note the sarcasm, my legs are screaming. Just a short one, I think. Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. A strange little swing bridge. It's about 4 miles to go. So just here is the official start and end point according to the book. And I'm staying at a farm campsite just a few hundred yards along the route. So we've got a little bonus climb up to my camper van.
Well, what a brilliant, a brilliant ride.
Yeah, great ride, mate, thank you. I mean, these things, I was going to do it anyway, but these things are always much better doing them with a mate as well, so thank you. And well done on bloody Mow Cop, bloody hell. I just can't believe you did that, it's brilliant. Now, just to be able to get up it without putting your foot down is a massive achievement. Well, that was Great British Bike Rides Cheshire highlights, and as predicted, the highlight was a low light for me because I ended up pushing my bike up the 25% ramp up Mow Cop. My friend Mick here actually nailed it and cycled all the way up. God knows how, but massive kudos to Mick. So that's all for now. Look out for more of these. Probably it'll be next spring before I start doing them again, but there's plenty more on the channel. Happy cycling. Subscribe below if you will. It helps the channel. Big thumbs up. I'll see you soon.